On this week's show, profits have been made, what are my investments worth today, and is Bitcoin falling back to 19,000? Let's do this. Welcome to episode 9 in my ongoing challenge to invest and trade in the crypto market and a few more traditional markets. The idea is to take £15,000 and achieve financial independence in the coming years. If you want to follow my journey, please drop me a like and subscribe to the channel and let me know what you think in the comments. So let's get into the numbers and then we'll look at the Bitcoin price position. Okay, so let's start on Coinbase and we can see the total balance is £4,618. We have £2,283 of Ethereum, 1,960 in Bitcoin, 356 in Ethereum 2 that we're still staking, and DAI, £23.81. It's going up slowly. Looking at our Kudos coin, we can see it's worth $56 with a total of $63.54 in that wallet. And this week we really didn't get into trading. Unfortunately, I'm far too busy with other projects, and so we're still at £181. This is something we aim to change next week, and we'll document that on the channel. Moving into more traditional markets, we can see that the SPY is up 0.41%, Tesla is up 12.35%, which is great, Amazon's up 4.13%, and silver continues to fall down another 6.55%. I'm not worried about silver, I have plans for silver early next year. For those who've been watching the channel, you'll notice that VIG is gone. Yep, we sold it. It finally made some profit, and we reinvested that money in the other holdings. So let's look at our wonderful dials, which we still haven't upgraded the graphics on. We can see our starting fund is there at 15,000. We've now only got £6,638 left to invest, but our current value has risen to £13,233.37. But what does that mean in terms of total value? So we're now worth £13,233, which is up from last week at £12,960, and up quite considerably from our all-time low about 5 weeks ago of £11,879. And long may that continue. Looking at that as an ROI, we can see this is the fourth week of increase. We're now at minus 11.8%, all the way up from minus 20% when I thought things were rather dark. So all in all, not a bad week, obviously fueled by the rise in crypto and on the stock exchanges. We're not convinced this is going to continue. So let's have a quick look at the Bitcoin chart. So as you can see at the top, we have a red bar and a green bar, and the current price is the last green candle. Now, the price has been descending for about a week, with its high around $24,000. The top green bar represents where the sell orders are, and the green bar at the bottom represents where the buy orders are. So as you can see, there's an ongoing downwards trajectory towards where all the buy orders sit at around about $19,000, $18,000. But what we then think will happen is the price will rebound back up. But we think this is some kind of fake out. We hope we're wrong, of course, but that's what it looks like to us. Enforcing that, at the bottom of the image, you can see the big thick red line, which keeps bouncing off my white arrow. We're wondering, of course, if this is going to bounce again. And if it does, it will definitely hit $19,000 to $18,000 before then shooting up. So the next week is telling, and we shall see what happens. It all depends what's in the news as well, which will heavily influence the price. Well done, Tesla, by the way. Okay, that's it for this show. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you have, please leave me a like, leave me some comments, and please subscribe to the channel. And as I always say, onward and upward.